This deep?
It's so.
Oh, I can't get out!
I think so.
Ready? Hold on.
I think so.
Oh! Run! Touchdown, bitch!
That was lame.
Yeah. I know, that was lame.
Brian, front flip! Oh no!
Oh! Sick! Yeah, do that.
No way.
Go! Yeah.
Yeah, we're going. It's gonna be chilly.
It's gonna be chilly. Go. You got it?
It's going! Brian, let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Some very
Alright.
some pussy shit.
Oh, it went straight up my bag. Mark, you're off this one. What? You're off. You're on the left and right. Well, you get over. Go right through him. Right. Oh, now. Spot. Shoulder to shoulder. Yeah, get closer. Right there? Over the shoulder. I like this better. No. Right there. Yeah, right. Will you just stop? It's fucking snow, man. God. No, we're gonna do it. Alright, there. 3, 2, 1, go, okay? 3, 2, 1, go! Get close! I'm so cold! It's everywhere! Oh my god.
He's stuck too. That's
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh! Mark, let's do it again. Let's do it again, dude.
Now I'm ready. Go!
Yeah.
Oh! He lost it.
I lost both of them. Oh my god. I have no idea. I'm jumping on top of him. Oh my god, dude. Look at the shoe, man. Oh, socks. Socks and all. 3, 2, go! I can't! Very.
Why? That's way too hard.
I'm gonna edit this for you. Sorry.
I can do it. I actually